Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of location. A specific place or position. For example, the property is set in a convenient location. The second definition of location. A real location or natural setting where a broadcast or film is made. This is different from a simulation in the studio. For example, the movie was filmed entirely on location. American pronunciation. Location. Location. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Location. Say. Location. Location means place or position. Location. Location. Location origin. Late 16th century, from Latin location, from locare see locate. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Toilets and drinking water tanks will be installed at convenient locations. Now, repeat after me. Toilets and drinking water tanks will be installed at convenient locations. The second practice. The strength of the Park District is the convenient location for ski enthusiasts. Now, repeat after me. The strength of the Park District is the convenient location for ski enthusiasts.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.